Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing for sale. So natay bagong haon guys. So this is farm lot. This is farm lot. Title, titulado siya. Located in Barangay Santa Cruz, Sagbayan, Bohol. So Santa Cruz siya guys. Sagbayan is a cool place. Labi na gabi na guys. Bugnaw gyud ang Sagbayan. And this is ideal for a farm and residential. It has a road right of way. So actually manggod guys, from the barangay road connecting to this area, kuan na siya guys. Gihimuan gyud siya. Nag-prepare gyud ang owner of 4 meters road right of way because naa sila sa interior. So nasabot na nila daan, ang meaning road right of way is ready na. So 4 meters wide mo nang iyang road right of way. Then kita na lang po siguro mo develop. So mao ni ang location guys. Actually total size is 5 hectares pero only 2.6 hectares ang ready for sale at a package price of 2 million pesos. So mao na siya guys, 2 hectares lang ang ready for sale. 2.6 ang usara, but they have separate title. Nasa mga separate nga titulo. This is the first one and the second one. Magsuon raman ni siya guys. They are brothers. So mao ra gini siya ibaligya. Sagbayan is just around 40 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City and 1 hour drive from Panglao International Airport. White Sand Beaches na po diya sa Panglao. Then 30 minutes drive from Tubigon, Bohol Seaport. So 30 minutos ni guys paingon sa Tubigon. Then barato ra kaayo no kay 2.6 hectare at 2 million pesos. Murag tag 70 ra kapin. Barato ra gid kaayo. Super barato. So kung hotdo nimo, okay ra sad 5 ka hektarya. Pero in the meantime kini sang 2.6 yun ang unang gi-endorse, nawahi mag-endorse ang another 2.6. So di ta ka siguro pareha ba sila presyo, pero basig parehara kay mao man ning isa niya for sale na ay balay guys. Sa silingan ra ni guys, ang silingan. This is neighbor, this is the neighborhood. Water is by digging a well or they have already a water line connection from the municipality of Sagbayan. So you have the choice. You want to dig a well or you are going to have a water connection. So din kini sila dire naapod sila gitawag og deep well. But if you want to dig a well for your own consumption, ikaw ra makagamit, okay ra gyud kaayo. Okay ra kayo guys. So kini nga gibutangan sa balay diri ang utlanan. So nindot kay sa balay. So na interior siya guys, pero malagi to. It has a road right of way approximately 100 meters from the barangay road. 100 meters yeah. But there's no problem because there is already a road right of way. So kini gyud guys, mao gyud ni ang for sale. Katong pata ganina ipawahi lang to, pero pwede ra sad to madungan kung gustohon nimo. So kanang mga kalubian apil pa na kay mura man ni siya og nibungtod pasaka dito ana. So mao na siya guys. So as for me, this is a very nice place. Naka sa tunga, mingaw, walay makaistorbo. Signal is good also. There is a signal. So nindot kay nga tong property. Flat and biipod. So flat diri guys nga side. Then if you walk onwards, there's an elevated portion where the coconut trees are located. Kanang atbang ba na mga lubi. Kining balay guys sulod ni. Kini pasaka dito nalantaw ng lubi. So kana mao na gitudlo nga for sale sad kuno, pero dili pa, wala pa namo maadto ang owner, pero pareha raman sila nagsuon. So possible pareha ra sila presyo, barato raman kayo, less than 100 pesos per square meter. That's 2 million. Then 2.6 hectares. This is ideal for poultry, piggery, farming, and many more. So I repeat, 30 minutes drive from Tubigon, Bohol Seaport. Then 40 to 50 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. And 1 hour from Panglao International Airport and White Sand Beaches. So mao na sitwasyon guys. Then 10 minutes drive from town proper. So very nice. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process land title, condo title, and license to sell. And we will sell also subdivision and condominium. Thank you.